Yeah. All right.
So
Yay.
Yeah.
let's start.
Please feel free.
Okay. So I'm making voice a little bit. So I will make stop time after time. So yeah, here we have the same picture as in proposal. So it's our design of the entire architecture of the Minascan. And now I'm going to show you the demo how it works on Minascan. Yeah, so you can very simple. You just search for account and it tells you that this account is scam account. Yeah. This demo shows how you can find the scam data in Explorer. So this transaction details, pending transactions, all of these important screens are represented by Mina Security API available in BlackBerry. So all the endpoints on BlackBerry are available, and we use this endpoint data on Minascan. This is a demo. So now it's a list of accounts. Yeah, all the highlights. So every time you see some hash for token, for account, you can see this highlight and message that warns you, alert messages that help you to understand what's going on. This is scam, and some explanation. Well, we also have a cool documentation about security API. So how it works. This is a guide section. Yeah, the same picture. Well, let's go on. What do we have? We also have the Mina Mainnet API section and Mina database section, Mina security docs. So this is general documentation about Mina security API and all the endpoints available. Yeah. So if you select any endpoint and click it, you can test and see what you can receive in response. This is a response data, and this is exactly response parameters. Well, what do we else plan it? We have a lot. Actually, this is a really short part of the ideas, and we think we focus on really important milestones. So we will start it step by step, but in the future stages. So in the future stage also planned to be proposed. Well, we need to cover more endpoints. We need also a mempool. There's also a mempool transaction and so on. So let's not focus a bit more on it now. This is for the stage 2, but we have a roadmap. Well, now the major part, we think, providing good wallet security. So now wallets have an API. So when you, yeah, this was the page on our BlackBerry documentation that shows how it is designed. And here is another page that shows how to use and what's going on here in wallet security API. Yeah, so this picture tells you that when any user asks wallets to initiate some transaction, wallet can send checks. So there are many checks that can be done, and we allow all of them to be processed. And as a response, we provide data that allow dApps and wallets to be aware if there any scam is going on. So when you send a transaction, you have an unsigned transaction data, and this data is scanned with our service. We scan all the entities, transaction, ZK accounts, accounts that are also mentioned in this unsigned transaction data, and also tokens. So all of this data is being scanned, and we receive and respond alerts if there is something malicious or going on, any scams. We also plan to focus on more checks in the future. So right now we have these checks, and all of this is described in our API documentation. Yeah, the same way you can test the API really quickly. Write in the documentation on the BlackBerry. This demo shows you how you can do this. Well, we have also a demo for the Postman users. Everyone is in Postman, I think. Yeah, this is the demo. We also have an ongoing negotiations with our wallet, Palat, and any other wallets that are coming on Mina ecosystem will be also invited to use our security API, and we will negotiate with them. So, we hope they will integrate this API soon. We will actively support wallets, guiding them how to do this quickly if there's something not clear in the documentation now. So, and we also improve the documentation if it's not enough clear for users, developers. Well, what next in the roadmap? Yeah, we also plan more integrations. We have plans for more checks. As I told you before in this video, yeah, that's something is going to be improved. So we are finally done with our plan. Every milestone was successfully finished.
Great.
That's
Thank you very, very much for that demo.
Thank you.
That's amazing.
Mm.
Just a quick question. How do you see developers connecting to this endpoint, or where do you see, or what would you say recommend for developers to integrate the API? And is it free, or is it a paid model, or how you guys planning on release it?
Yeah. Well, we invite any developer to use it. And what about paid or free? Well, it's free. I don't know if it's going to be paid in the future, but I think most of the checks should be free, and especially the very popular ones. Yeah, that's the model of our API. We want to right now it's absolutely free for everyone. So yeah, it's going to be remaining the same in the near future, maybe half a year, maybe a year, until it will make sense to monetize. But anyway, our strategy is make it fully free for the major endpoints, and also it detaches smear security API. Yeah, and some of the particular complex or specific endpoints will be paid ones. So yeah.
Okay, that totally makes sense. I think that's great, especially to let people start using it. I think it's great. It's
Yeah,
free.
exactly.
Um, yeah, cool, amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh, Esther, I think you can stop recording.
So if you have any more questions, I can quickly answer them.
I think that's it. Esther, could you stop recording? I'm not sure if you can.
Of course, yeah,
So
I'm here. I can hear
I
you.
going also to add, if you check carefully our board where we made